Diha. Diha. I-put na sa cheese. Thank you. Put na dito sa front. No, front. Kay kang daddy man. Huh? Good morning! Happy Sunday! 6:13 and we are heading to Penticton, guys. And for the longest time na nandito kami sa Canada, ngayon lang kami makapunta doon because it's a long drive. Like, it's not 2 or 3 hours but 4 to 5 hours drive. Depending pa yan sa traffic at saka road conditions. And then
Stopover pa.
yeah, may mga stopover pa na magaganap kasi hindi naman pwede diretso-diretso tayo na mag-drive doon.
Actually, yung hotel namin is nasa Osoyos. And then sa Osoyos, pinili namin yun dahil kasi siya, yung front kasi niya is parang tubig siya, guys. And alam mo naman tong dalawan to. Yun ang reason na pupunta kami doon. And then at the same time, pupunta kami ng Kelowna. Nga mag-stop over here.
Yeah, para makabay pa kag food and then maka full tank pa ka. Galing lang kami McDonald's to buy food. Kumain na yan sila, breakfast. Nagluto si daddy ng mabilisan na fried rice for them to eat para hindi sila magutom along the way. And we are going now, guys. 3 hours away. 3 hours?
Yeah, kasi from Richmond to dito pa lang, it's already an hour.
Okay.
Yeah. Nasave na sa atin yung 1 hour.
How long
is it gonna be?
3 hours, Jake.
Wow, not bad. Kasi mag-chill lang ka din, ha.
It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever, it's not easy to let go. Can you love me again? Can things ever be the same? All I do is see things slipping through my fingers when he turns and walks away. Yes, there he goes. There he goes. All the things I wanna say, and maybe he'll listen someday. I know it is not enough to say.
We are here, guys. Finally. Dito pala kami sa Kelowna. Hindi muna kami pumunta sa Osoyos kasi we are planning to go on cherry picking. Ayan. Ngayon lang talaga kami nakarating dito and it's already 11:33. And grabe, good thing nakapark kami. Wala masyadong tao. Thank you, Daddy. Guys, grabe. Yung cherry, oh. Grabe, ragon na, uy. Hitik na hitik sa bunga. Daily pick cherries. Asam tadapit mo? Dito. Wala na Jacob, oh. Cherries lang ga.
Oh no.
Finally, you can get to eat cherries, the real one. Jake? Guys, the real. Hala. Grabe ha, uy. Tao awa na di. Pwede ra ka mo kuan diri o kabuot. Oh, sold out. Ilang. Kansa pa kaya ni nila pwede i-open, no? Ang kaning kuan, Rainier. Di pa ripe. Ang kaning Rainier.
Yellow pa kayo.
Di mo rin inanam. Di na siya color, daddy. Yellow and orange.
nasa left kayo. Red mo kayo.
Lahi sad ni siya. Daghan man ni siya variety here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, dili lang kay isa lang kabuok ba. Good thing guys, walang masyadong tao. Kasi kaka-open lang nila first week of July ata.
July 2nd.
Yeah, pero ang plano sana namin is sa Wednesday na kami pumunta dito kasi at least makadala kami ng mga cherries ba papunta pauwi, pero wala. Na change plan. Asa? O ka na ay Sandra Rose nga variety daddy. Sandra Rose. Go, yeah. Ngita tawag ka ng daghan kaayo, guan lang ga ayaw here kay. Napa ba kayo?
Pwede.
Wala, daghan na nilang na-pick eh. Diha, look. Here, baby. There. Here lang ga. Woo. Yeah. You include the stem. Slowly lang.
Wait.
Slowly inig ko ang kasi Yee! Yummers! Napa ay? Ooh. Wait. Wait.
This is over, right?
Yay! Ngalingaw ka lang ga. We have a bucket na kailangan i-full. Yung cherry. Grabe. Sweet. Good. Nana mo yung nakuha, daddy? Ha? Wala naman mi dito. Oh, na here daghan. Kahadlok ba ano? Nalangga oh?
No, wait.
Sige, tagkaon na niya. Ah, that's so cute, baby.
What is this? Dude, what is this? Like, what is this?
There's
so much white.
Lami kayo.
There's here, no? They had Jacob. There's money.
Yeah, that one, Jake. Good job.
Let me check. Hold on, let me just take this, dude.
Hala, tagsa-tagsa. Unog check.
This cute.
Let me see. Let me see, baby.
Or
Ang daming cherries sa kadami. Hindi mo na alam kung saan ka mag-uumpisa ng mag-pick. Hapit na po na yung bucket? Yun yung dalawa eh. Ano pa oh? Nara sa ubos. Gagmay hinuon siya. Di siya yun na nakadagko. You don't like? Ah, here. Merong malalaki, merong maliliit. Nanando ay. Daghan na mong na-pick lang ga? Where? Hasa? Wow! Good job! Good job, Jacob and Dee, ha? Napa-here lang ga, oh.
goodbye.
Are you having fun?
Why don't you fill this one first?
My hand is hurting just by pulling these guys out.
Right.
Yep, these are goodies.
Gi-QA lagi ang mga cherries before ibutang sa bucket.
Because you can never know.
Jacob. Ipang QA. Ooh. So huge. Humongous.
Enjoy them in the shorts.
Bruh.
Nagkuha, oy. We will
I'll
wash
just
it.
take one by one because I don't want to take out the baby. He's just growing.
Okay lang ga. Whatever you say.
No. Yes. What? No. Stop, please.
May gani, wala pa yung mga mosquitoes. No?
Deal. Yes.
Bili ni mo ang baby lang ga. There's more, oh. Next. Huy, naman na maak. That one, Jake.
Oh,
Wow!
who knows what else is gonna be coming?
Hindi nga, kami lang ga. There's a lot. Look at Jacob.
Look at this, bro. Now look at this. Look how much there is.
Careful.
Really?
Wow.
You guys are friends?
Yeah, they're best friends.
No, I should.
Oh, careful, Jake. Oh,
No.
daghan na nga ni Daddy. Eh.
I get to learn the bees.
Yes. Ah, guboy.
Yeah.
So we're all done, guys. Medyo puno-puno na yung bucket
No,
natin.
no.
So tingnan natin kung magkano yung isang bucket. So iwi-weigh na natin to, guys. After here, punta kami sa bee farm. Ha? Laulag eh.
Right?
Yung isang side na hindi pa open, ang dami na nilang bunga, guys, sa cherry. Tingnan niyo. Dami ng bunga dito. Oh, see? Yung isang punong ganyan, punong-puno.
Are these all together?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, perfect. I might have to maybe have a bag with a little bit.
Go for go. Go lang ga. Ilan yung ano?
Thank you very much.
Lami lang ga.
So good.
Unsay flavor imo?
Salted.
Ha?
Salted caramel.
Ang salted
It's
caramel.
actually pretty good.
Oh, thank you lang ga.
It's actually good.
Oh, yummers. Unsa flavor imo, baby?
Oreo was this common.
Oh, same with diha. Salted caramel.
Like this.
Okay. So, kumusta yung experience, guys?
It's fine. It's better than apple.
Yeah. Pero mahirap lang siya, no? Kay pa, ang liliit kasi nila na i-pick mo ba. Yung apple, pwede naman mo pitasin ng ganyan. Yung iyan, kaya kasama yung stem, yung sa cherry, kung i-pick mo.
Kung sa one plate tayo pupunta, iba na yung cherry apple.
Variety.
I don't think it's the, yung mga pupunta mamaya ng original siya.
Yung nabayaran natin sa dalawang, ilang pound ba yun? Ilang pound?
We did 14 pounds.
14 pounds, guys. And the total is $90.64. So, mga $91.
6 per pound.
Kasi 6 per pound. Tapos 14 pounds ato
Yeah.
So, ayun. $90, guys. Sulit. Kasi I really love cherries. So, punta na kami sa bee farm. And the bee farm is around 45 minutes from here. Gusto ko din matry yung honeycomb. And the kids also wants to try it. And then finally, after 14 years, ngayon lang natupad yung bucket list ko na makapunta dito para mag-cherry pick. Thanks, Daddy. Dinala mo kami dito kahit ang layo. Kung wala si Daddy, wala. Parang walang chance na makapunta dito. So, ito yung email ko, guys, na nag-sign up ako ng ng newsletter. 2015 pa yan. Kita nyo ba? 2015.
I know it is not enough to say I'm sorry. Didn't beg him to stay. So there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. I know I did him wrong. Now something is broken inside me. I got what I gave. I am worthy to feel this way. But I want him to know that nothing I did was to hurt him. And I'm sorry I gave him this burden. There he goes.
I
Ooh.
like it here.
So, you like it here?
Yeah, it's
So, asa man ang bee? Oh, nugget.
Wait, no.
Ay, nang bee.
Bites.
Oh, na ay. There's a bee here. Live honeybees. Where? Hello? Asa mo ng queen? Excuse me lang. Gono ano eh. Basin unsa na.
It's not on this side. It's on the other side.
Di nga look, doorway. Bee's doorway. Yeah.
Honey, I think it's the same thing.
There, di ay sila mo enter.
Oh, somebody died. Worked too hard. Worker bee.
Did you see the queen? Oh, this one? Wait, which one?
Oh.
Where?
Oh, this one.
Sorry.
The one with the white?
Yeah, the one.
Oh, that
On the
one.
right too, because there's two hives.
Oh, that one? Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, yeah.
The queen.
You saw it, Sana?
Oh.
It's 2 years experience.
Yeah, the queen.
It is.
Well,
Daddy,
there's some males
queen.
in there, but maximum 5%.
The queen.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Also, so
All
to be the female?
all the workers are female. Yeah, the males.
Jones.
You can see some there actually. So those are males, kind of bigger, all around, bigger eyes on them.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are really young boys. Actually, there's quite a few males in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow.
This hive actually lost their queen for a bit, and so we just reintroduced this new one. She's still actually looks like she's standing on this cells, where they've been laying and stuff like that. But that's why this is probably an unusually large male population.
Okay.
See them all there? So this is almost 50-50, and it's not great for the hive because the guys actually don't do any work. There's baby boys in here too. These cells that are kind of puffed up like that, those are males. I mean, we don't take any honey from bees too. In fact, we feed them more often than not. We put honey and water in a jar and then drips in and they get extra food. They do produce some by going outside. Long-term storage, if this whole frame was full looking like this section here, you know that's ready to extract. First thing you got to do is break the seal of wax on the top there. There's, manual way if you're a hobbyist, it's just like a metal comb. You just scrape it off and it punctures all the little holes. Otherwise, the machine takes them in and cuts off the top layer with a hot knife. And then it's mostly just a centrifuge. So it spins around and
Oh, that's the honeycomb. That's cute.
Raw honey.
Yeah, paitaan na.
Interesting try.
You wanna try that one, baby? I want one. Can hello, look there, there's caramel. So, kani sila mo, nani sila diritanan each?
Oh, I think
Kani?
so, yeah.
Kanina lang.
You can get 12 for $4.
Wow,
Ano, you get
watermelon
12
lagi.
Yeah.
Daddy, honey tasting na daddy. Na may pwede ka mo taste diri. Local best-selling honey. Kani ay blueberry blossom. I actually don't know how.
Oh, it says where you're from.
Good. Lami siya, guys. Nak, look at nak, oh, mga kandila lang ga. Candles. Na. Yo, ano eh.
Try this one.
Ha?
Try this one.
Oh, wow, ka-good smell. Good smell kaayo. I like that. Na? Kumot. Unsay kuan lang ga.
And then coconut.
Very ano to, oh, good smell. Island coconut. We're going na finally guys sa hotel natin. We are staying sa Holiday Inn sa Osoyos. And it's 2:10 in the afternoon and it's gonna be ilang hours drive?
2 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So, ito pala yung nabili natin doon. Can I have it, Dia, please? Honeycomb, tapos yung honey sticks na may iba't ibang flavor. Yung mga ganito ba? 250 grams, $20. And yung 12 na ganito, $4, guys. Yeah. 2 hours and 26 minutes away, guys, from Vernon to Osoyos. Malayo pa, uy. 2 hours pa. Nagana nila, baby, oy. Kabukas or the day after. So, sasakay ka lang ng ganyan, ng floaties, tapos yung river, if mag-flow na dyan somewhere saan, I don't know kung saan yan, papatungo. Ayan o. Cute lang ga. Are you excited, baby?
Kita pa rin niya dito.
Adara, kutob diri ay. O, imong card yan,
Do
imong
not
i-park.
proceed past bridge.
Yeah, what if di? Ala, di ara day kutob.
Hindi kayo makabarog naman ka mag-control yung
Oh.
makabarog naman ka.
There, baby. Dito na kami, guys. Ah, grabe kainit, uy. Wow. Oh, why shoe? We're here. We made it. Wow. Excuse me. Can you even... Wow. Look. There ka mag-swim-swim. Yeah. So, ito yung room namin, guys. 2 queen beds. So, mommy and daddy's gonna stay there while the kids here. Meron din silang pwede mo ihang yung mga stuff mo dyan. Oh, good thing they have microwave, daddy. Yeah. Ooh, they have microwave, baby. Kasi may dala kaming rice. Nagluto kami ng rice and they have this. Na sila yung fridge food. Ibutang na to tong mga kuan diha. Yung water natin. And then ito yung lavatory nila. Nice kaayo ilahang kuan oh. This is a body lotion tapos hand wash. Dove. Dito na talaga tayo. I can't believe. Umabot tayo dito. Sobrang init sa labas. And Diha. Diha's in the washroom. May plancha din sila. Oh, may horse para sa planchahan. What is this? Para sa buhok. Here, Jacob. This one. You have to wear that one first. Wait, hold on. Jacob, wait. Boy, slow down. You, wait. Hindi ha, ayaw maligo. Very nice kayang water, oh. Oh. Uy! Buot-buot ka ni si Jacob, oh. Nagpalayo-layo, oh. Wala ba'y makakuha na ni Jake? Nagpalayo. Jacob! But still, you're so far. Na. So, dun yung ano namin, guys. Yung room. Saan ba? Yan nga. Saan ka yan? Pang 1, 2, 3. Pang katulo sa pinakataas. Palit sa mo? Sige. Here lang ko, lingkod. Wait. Dito lang ako, guys. Naghintay ni Jacob. Yan, oh. Jake. Jacob! Look at the duck. So, andito na pala kami sa ano guys, sa room. Ito pala yung ano nila, oh. Ito yung CR nila. Ayan. Diyan na yung bowl. Very cute. Dark din yung ano nila. Sabon, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Guys, andito na silang daddy. Bumili ng KFC. Oh, yes. Kain tayo, guys. Wala pa kaming tarong nga kaon. So, kadning biyahe mi, guys. Weekend sa Richmond. And ito na pala yung nakuha natin na cherry, oh. Isang box. Meron pa yung plastic, pero yun na lang yung kakainin ko kasi ayoko naman i-open to. Sandra Rose, you pick. Kain tayo, guys. Chicken and rice. So, ito na yung cherries, guys. Hinugasan ko na to. Kain tayo. Tapos na akong kumain. So, I got the, finally, ASMR. Try natin to, guys. Nandito kami sa Holiday Inn, Osoyos. Ano na, guys, Ooh! Ito pala yung itsura ng honeycomb. Ito pala yung itsura. Ay! Oh no! Dami, daddy, murag candy. I want you to try, daddy, wait. Ooh! Manahagbong, guys. Lagi? Nami siya, daddy. Tamis kaayo. I don't know if you will like it. Kay tamis. Nana siya yung wax. Hailo na yung wax. I like it. Tamis eh.
Sweet.
Usually, yung mga ganito daw, yung ibang tao, nilalagay nila sa kanilang yogurt, yung mga cereals, ganun yun nila kinakain. Pero pwede din ganito, pero sobrang tamis lang, guys. Huwag kayong makalimot na uminom ng tubig after. So sweet. You like it? It's already, guys, 7:47. 7:47 ng gabi. Pero may araw pa din. Good night, Jacob. Good night, Daddy.
Right.
Tulog na sila, guys. May araw pa din sa labas.
Sorry I gave him this burden. There we go.